So outside the Tampa area, almost 5 o'clock in the morning. Nobody at the gas stations yet. At 7 o'clock, these places are going to be really busy. A lot of people probably still haven't evacuated from the hurricane. It's like the calm before the storm, I guess you could say. But this section right here on Walsingham is going to be very busy later. This Wawa down here had a line, about 20 cars, a line of 20 cars for the gas station at the Wawa here yesterday and the day before. You can see nobody's here right now. Once again, it's like 5 a.m.